morning, welcome to Check Motorsport. Got the usual coffee, but this time I treated myself to a toffee latte from McDonald's. Bet the only thing I buy from McDonald's. Right, today I'm off down to Three Sisters again with Preston District Motorcycle Club. They've got a meet on. But before we get there, I just wanted to say a massive thank you. A couple of days ago I actually reached 200 subscribers, which I'm over the moon with. I know in the grand scheme of things it's a tiny amount, but having such a niche channel and setting it up in lockdown, it's taken a long time to where I want to get. So I've got quite a few videos, I've got 2 or 3 videos now I'm filming this weekend, so the content's going to keep coming. Bikes today, tomorrow's a massive day. There's all sorts, it's like a festival of speed really, Three Sisters, and I'm doing some recording for them as well. So yeah, lots to come. I hope you enjoyed the bike day. The rain, it's been raining this morning, and it seems to have, even though it's grey and overcast, I don't think we'll see any more rain, but it is wet and slippy, so I hope everybody's okay. But I also want it to be interesting. So yeah, so I'll get Three Sisters in about 5 minutes, and we'll have a walk around and see what's what. Thanks for watching. See you soon. As you can see, the weather's come back. It's now lightly raining. Everyone's hoping it's going to stop, because obviously it makes conditions challenging. Obviously we don't want anybody getting hurt. So I'm going to get some wet laps, see what it's like. I'm not sure if you can see behind me there, but we've had an off. The guy came off number 77, I don't know his name, an old classic Kawasaki. The guy's alright, so I can put the pictures up. I've got some cracking pictures. Because of the weather, I've put the filming camera away and started taking some shots. Maybe I tempted fate, maybe not, but the guy's fine, and apparently he used to ride BSBs, and apparently he's made of rubber. So I think I'm going to call it a day, because the weather's not behaving itself. I can see a lot of teams packing up now. I think people just don't want to take the risk. So I'm going to maybe stop another 10-15 minutes, take a few more shots, and I'll call it a day. So that's my day again at Three Sisters with the Preston District Motorcycle Club. Now I've learned how to say it. So please, if you can, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button for me, and any comments, anything, any suggestions of events I may not know about, just drop them down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.